Hi, I'm Mike May, the product manager for Python Protective Sleeve and Covers. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Python band clamps. So what we're seeing in the market today is a couple different variations of clamping devices. We're seeing the zip ties, the big thick zip ties, the smaller zip ties, other forms of stainless steel band clamps, some big ones, some big thick ones, some even bigger ones, crimp shells. So what we're seeing is that the customers out there that are using them are starting to damage the hoses, or it's too hard to do the install, or they're clipped off and not replaced. And what can actually take place at that point in time is that your sleeve will start to walk down the hose itself. And when it walks down the hose, the odds are that it's going to hit the frame or run into something else and create abrasion is very likely. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you clamp that sleeve on and it stays in its location. The other thing is that our Diamondback is rated for pinhole and burst protection. So again, if that sleeve walks down the hose and that hose pops a pinhole or bursts, the operator is susceptible to being harmed or damaged if that sleeve is slid down the hose itself. So what we're introducing is our band clamps. So there's a couple different methods to be able to install these band clamps. There's a hand tool and an automatic tool. The automatic tool is a lot quicker. It takes about 3 to 4 seconds to install a band, but it depends on how many hoses you're making on a daily basis. A hand tool works great as well. Call us if you have any questions on the tooling. As far as the construction goes, it's a 304 stainless steel band. You need a tool to install it. We offer it an 1 3/4, 2 1/4, and 3 1/4. Again, all stainless steel. We are so excited to be able to add these 3 products to complement our Diamondback sleeve. Please visit us at pythoncovers.com.